wrong.
No, she's ratchet.
My leg front is all wrong. Give me one. I'm gonna take this type of picture. Got it. Gonna put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
I got time for this. I'm too grown. Blow by, not with them shoes on. Ooh, I just wanna punch it in her face. I can't stand her. Ooh, she's too fake. Let me tell you what I got, my Mr. A baby boy, and it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the clip. I'm in the middle of the plot. No, shoot, where's it? I gotta get
Where's
it?
it?
I'm over these old hooks today. I really love his baby, my baby out of here shoes today. Real baby, new shoes today. Chop my shake, new shoes today. Got that track yesterday. Girl, did you get double? Gonna be fit up. Move, champions today, get the fit. Paint, I got my food stamp. Brand new piercing, brand new shot. Paid $95 for the sleeveless tap. That's the thing go over. My God, got no ribbon. She alive, my number, bye-bye. Be quiet. Hey, girl. You look good. Turn around. Let me see what you do, Snoop. Okay. Well, talk to you later, girl. OMG, what does she have on? She ratchet. Her legs front is all wrong. I want to see this type of picture. She got it. About to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boba, not with them shoes on. Oh, what's she gonna punch it in her face? I got scared. Oh, she's too fast. It ain't my weather, but my girlfriend called me Kari. Hit the club is free before I ever bring back. We're sorry. For that kind of Google sorry. And 2 kids in my future baby's name. Mari! Where'd you get some? Pound team, dark skin, we don't like silver red boat. Hit me up on Facebook, follow me on Twitter. Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown. And shut it down. I'm really bad shit. Team, what's your man? And this guy is one. Flip Phone. Alright. Follow me on Instagram at Zyanne. Follow her on Instagram at Shank Shankland.